one of our most popular 5-axis machines in an MX520 with PC4. So it's a 520 millimeter machine, fully 5-axis, with 4 pallets. So he was able to start and use some innovation and get some lights out manufacturing, which he needed. One unique feature about Kyle is we didn't need to teach him how to be a 5-axis man. He knows as much, if not more, about 5-axis than most of our application engineers. However, he needed the technology and the machine tool to give him the opportunity to run lights out and save money with spindle uptime. And then the great thing about Kyle is he groomed into one of our MAM series, which is one of our fastest growing series it's a MAM, MAM meaning MAM72, which is a Matsuura Automated Manufacturing 72, meaning 72 hours. Kyle has the ability to hit cycle start on a Friday, leave and come back on a Monday with unattended operation, lights out with unmanned. The PC32 means he has 32 pallets. A little bit smaller platform than his 520, but still it just takes advantage of the same thing that he wanted to do in the 520, and that is unmanned operation. Everyone has to be competitive, and any way you can get a competitive advantage, and Kyle's taking advantage of it with the Matsuura product line. He has other ways of doing that as well through his ingenuity and the things that he does as a manufacturer, but the machine just gives him the affordability and the opportunity to do that.